Say good morning, Snoop. Hello. I am about to take him to the vet. If you missed it, 2 or 3 weeks ago, I took him to the vet for his nosebleeds. These really bad allergies that cause nosebleeds. As she was listening to his heart, as they do at every vet visit, she was like, does he have a heart murmur? I was like, no. And she goes, well, he does now. I was like, oh, okay, yeah, all right. Very common in senior dogs, which he is. He just turned 9. So for a dog his size, he is a senior dog. So it can just be old age, a couple different factors involved with it. Could just be like, okay, we just have to be extra careful when we sedate him or he goes under anesthesia. Or it could be something where like, hey, we should probably operate, or who knows. I'm being optimistic. I'm not letting it stress me out, except right now, my heart is in a flutter. But I'm just la-di-daing because he is a senior dog, so it makes sense that he would get one, and that's, you know, it's that. But I have to take him to the vet right now because they are doing an ultrasound on him. It's like a 20-minute ultrasound. I don't know how he's gonna stand still for them for 20 minutes because they're like, we do it. I was like, I don't hold them. They're like, no, we do it. I was like, good luck, okay. So I'm gonna take him, then coming home and editing, which I'm happy to do. But that is literally all my day consists of. False. I gotta take Blaze on his walk before I do that. Priorities. All right, we're waiting for them to come grab us. So in the meantime, we get to smell and pee on things. That's the rules. Just watching the world go by. Mom, just take this off. I won't bite anybody, despite my history of trying. It's been 15 minutes. This is supposed to just be a drop-off. And we're just sitting in the parking lot waiting. It's not even cute out here. There's like construction going on around the corner and it's loud. Snoop! You gonna pose with me? No? All right. Everyone relax. Blaze got his walk. Or he's getting his walk. We're halfway through the walk. Blaze boy, you got your walk. And today, hold on, let me show you. No stain on the inside of my pants. Oh, she put on clean pants this morning. Ooh. Guys, I don't even mean to flex on ya, but I might have my life together just a little bit today. That's right. All right, now I gotta go home and hurry and edit everything. Allie and Holland just FaceTimed us. They were like, the fire alarm is going off every 30 to 45 seconds at our apartment, and we just got an email that it's going to be happening for the rest of the day and possibly into tomorrow morning. And their dog Riley is rightfully so freaking out. And so they're like, is there any possible way we could come stay at your place tonight? We're like, of course. Abby had just FaceTimed them yesterday and I popped in and I was like, sorry guys, I can't talk. I'm really overwhelmed with work, but I love you. I'm trying really hard not to get distracted. And they're like, okay, let me know. Like, we're so sorry. We know that you're trying to do work and you're overwhelmed, and we're somewhere they can go with a dog. If they didn't have their dog, they have people in LA they could have stayed with, but they know that we love Riley and she's always welcome in our house. They're in a pickle. They're in a little bit of a pickle. So they are on their way to come stay here tonight. I was like, I can't play with you guys, but you are more than welcome. You do what you want. They have stayed here so many times. I don't have to worry about them. So a little change of event. You're gonna see Allie and Holland soon. I never know what's gonna happen in a day. Just never. Snoop is ready to be picked up. Okay, so the vet talked to me for like 15 minutes. I love this vet place. I'm so glad I switched. Also, so glad I took him in for his nosebleed because that's how this got caught. And she said, you caught this so early, which is great because it helps us a lot. He has leaky valves on both sides of his heart. We caught it so early that he can just be on medication and a supplement. It's due to old age, and she said, you know, he could live with this the rest of his life. He will live with this the rest of his life. But because we caught it so early and we're putting him on meds and he's not coughing, he still has his normal amount of energy and his resting heart rate seems to be totally fine. That means it should be all good as long as he stays on his medication. Gave me a list of things to look out for. And she said, we'll just check him once a year and see if it's progressed. The medication just makes it progress slowly. You know, there's a chance it might completely stop the progression. And there's a chance that it won't really do anything, but those are both small chances. She's like, normally, you know, looking statistics wise, this will just slow down the progression of it and he will live out his normal amount of lifespan, which is great, but she has high hopes because he has no signs of anything yet. The only reason we caught this is because he got a nosebleed and they listened to his heart. If I hadn't taken him in for that nosebleed, which honestly, I didn't need to because he stopped bleeding on his own without the antibiotics. I put him on antibiotics just because it helps him with... That dude needs antibiotics just like once every 6 months just to give himself a break from his allergies, but I didn't actually really need to take him in for his nosebleed, but I'm so glad I did because if I hadn't, I wouldn't have taken him in unless something had happened. I wouldn't have taken him in till next year, mid next year for his vaccine boosters. And that would, who knows how his heart would have progressed with all of that without any medication. So that nosebleed was a blessing in disguise. We're all good. She said they had to slightly sedate him, which cost more money for me, but you know, he had to stay still on his side for 20 minutes. Yeah, he's not doing that on his own. Not my big boy. She's like, we had to slightly sedate him. And then she's like, I realize eye contact is his trigger. Snoop is the best. I love him so much, but he does not like strangers touching him, especially in a strange environment, and I'm not there. Listen, I get it, bro. I'm the same way. I don't want people touching me. When you are introduced correctly and you're in our home and I'm chilling with you, oh my God, he'll become your best friend. He wants pets. He wants butt scratches. No ifs, ands, or buts. Once you're in with him, you're in. But, you know, you take him to the back of a vet and he is gonna stress out. And I think that's valid. We've done so much training, but he's at his good point. He's at his, this is where he's gonna level out. And so we work with that. And she said she figured out eye contact is a huge trigger for him, which it is. So they just put a light little towel over his face and give him some slight sedation. And she said once we did those two things, she said he let us do everything, which is amazing. And she's like, we didn't even give him that much. It's like 2 shots of tequila. I said, oh, so we had a grand old time. So yeah, that's the update with Snoop. This was honestly, I think, best case scenario. Caught it super early, there's no side effects yet, and she's got medication and supplements for him. Boy is draining my bank account, and guess what? He's worth every penny. Oh, big man is sedated. Okay, can you lay down for mama? Can you lay down for mama? Good boy. All right, got him. Got his meds. We're going home so I can edit some more. I have a lot to do today. Oh my God, I'm sitting here editing, and do you want to see something absolutely foul? Oh, besides the stuff in my teeth? Okay, do you want to see something absolutely foul? Do you see all of these bugs? This is disgusting. No, 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 no. This calls for a Clorox wipe. Dealing with gross things. Here comes the poison. Ugh. This is disgusting. This has happened once before, and I don't know why. Like, I don't understand why this happens. Because I've cleaned up here. There's no food in my office. Besides the current food on my desk that Abby just brought me. But like, I don't keep food in here. Ugh. I don't know why. And that's all of them. I'm getting a spam risk phone call. Should I answer it? Oh, also Allie and Holland are here, but I'm busy, so you'll see them later. Okay, back to editing. I just wanted to show you that disgusting thing that was happening. And Blaze Boy is handsome. I love him. I love my dogs. Riley. Guys, it took me forever to get my work done today. Riley, don't mind. A lot of that is because... Excuse me, miss. Excuse me, miss. Oh, hold on a second. Good morning, team. How's everybody doing today? It is a beautiful Thursday. Allie and Holland spent the night last night because Hartman's doing a fire testing thing. I don't know. But Holland and Abby just went to Legree together. Holland is about to try Legree, which is, if you don't know, Abby's new favorite thing, and it's like Pilates on steroids. It's very, very hard. It never gets easier. You shake the whole time. It's miserable. So Holland's going to go do that with Abby. Allie's still asleep or is just laying in bed on her phone. I don't have a camera in there. I can't tell you. Why did I say that? That would be weird. Wait, I had something I wanted to say when I turned this camera on and I completely forgot. Stop whining. Did your mamas leave you? Did they leave you with me again? Oh no. Oh, I was supposed to go to my sister's today to film, but we rescheduled it to Friday. So today I am working a little of this, working a little of that. And then tonight, our friend Summer wants to do a pumpkin something craft. I genuinely don't remember what it was, but I know I have to get a mini pumpkin to go over to her house tonight. And I know it'll be fun. So Allie and Holland are here for the rest of the day. I think their testing is done at like 5 p.m. I don't know what's going on with their building, but their apartment's just being a butthead. So they'll probably go home this evening. There is a cinnamon roll place down the street that Allie has been dying to try, but they close at 2 p.m. and whenever they come to visit, it's after 2 p.m. So they haven't been able to try it. But now that they spent the night, that's what we're gonna do brunch. So I'm making breakfast right now for myself, and then probably at like 11, we'll go over there and try their cinnamon roll. and see how it tastes. I've had it before. I think it's delicious, but I don't know if it's up to Allie's standards because I don't quite know what she wants in a cinnamon roll. She's not very descriptive with her words. She just says disgusting, insulting. You know, she says more of her feelings than describing us. Oh, she's awake. All right, I haven't gotten any work done today because Allie's been distracting me.
Hi vlog, so nice to see you. So nice to see you. Every time I see you, so nice to see you.
She's convinced me to get on Facebook, so apparently I have to get on Facebook.
I'm like the original person who started the rumor about the gold rush. I'm like, go out to California,
Oh.
go out to Facebook.
Go on Facebook.
Get a wagon, get your dogs, head out, get your family, get the people you care the most about. Go out to Facebook.
So you might catch me on Facebook if I have time this weekend to make one. I have one. It's just I have to either reactivate it or switch the profile or something. I have an old Facebook that because, you know, I'm a millennial. I was on there.
Everybody knows you're a millennial.
Circa, everyone knows I'm a millennial.
Everybody knows.
When did I start my Facebook? 2006?
I was hardly alive.
You were?
I could still be aborted in 2006.
And then I have a Facebook fan page I started back in like 2014. Oh, by the way, Snoop's doing well. He still has a heart murmur, but I have to feed them. You've been distracting me.
Where's the food? I'm wondering.
Mom, do you got any food for me?
I'm just wondering if you're planning on maybe feeding me this morning.
I gotta take my heart medicine and my allergy medicine and my seaweed supplement.
I don't care to eat.
I will take a nibble of some chicken and that is it, thank you. No more.
Some hand-shredded cheese for me.
And a little carrot.
All right, we've made it out to get the world's best cinnamon roll from. It's a big claim. Allie is right, it is a massive claim, but we'll see. Also, I have not showered yet. I just ran to get dressed. Abby called and she's like, "Oh, not coming back for Legree. Get in the car." Yes, ma'am.
Every time I see World's Best, I always think of Elf.
Yes, world's best cup of coffee.
And I'm like, okay, we'll see. We'll see.
No,
Every single place keeps saying World's Best.
Don't worry, Allie will give you her full review.
Thank you, of course.
She got it. This is Allie Ballinger's professional review of the world's best cinnamon roll.
Let's give it a go. They give you this knife in case you have to stab anybody because they try to take your cinnamon roll. Okay. I'm nervous.
I'm nervous too.
Don't be. It's a cinnamon roll at the end of the day. Different than I thought. The icing seems like the perfect icing. It does. I'll obviously give my thoughts. I mean, I'll give my thoughts. Nobody asked. Yeah. Perfect fluffiness on this, on the bottom here. Perfect fluffiness. Very powdery sugar icing. Like a very sweet. I typically like a roll that's a little more confined. Like it seems like it was made in a factory. This seems a little fresh. You know, this seems it's too fresh. Her critique is that it's fresh. I like something a little more processed, a little pesticide in it, you know. Very good roll. Very good cinnamon flavor. Not crazy about the icing, but I'm not mad at it. Okay. 9-2. 9-2. 9-2. Wow. Wow. It's so good. To me, this is a 10. You're hard to piss off.
Oh yeah. It's just a good cinnamon roll, guys.
Well, rate it.
A 10, I did.
Give it an official rating.
9.9.
9.99. What could be better for you? Because not a 10.
I want a side of more the frosting is different.
Perfect.
I'm great. Hey, so cinnamon roll was a hit, all good. Did a little brunch. Allie and Holland left a little bit ago. They got an email that the fire system thingy is all good at their apartment, so they headed back. I got a little work done, and now I'm refilling my bee water dishes for the bees and the butterflies. Still don't know if they've ever used them, but just in case, takes me 1 minute a day. Put a little water out there. It's cute regardless. Boop. Oh yeah. I need to shower. I haven't showered yet. I'm feeling stinky. I'm feeling gross. Snoop's chilling. He had no reaction to his heart medicine, which means we can keep him on it. And yeah, I just wanted to check in and say hello. Don't need coffee. I need water. Make your water, not your coffee. Oh, but coffee tastes so much better. No. I'm so glad you guys are here. Otherwise, I would genuinely just be talking to myself. Your girl showered. And now I am off to Lowe's. Hi, handsome. Just thought I'd give you a couple belly scratches before I go. Oh my good, Mr. Spoiled. Lump, it's been checked, it's fine. Skin tag, it's been checked, it's fine. New lump, it's gonna get checked. Don't worry, it's fine. Snoop, Abby and I were just talking about this. Snoop has hip dysplasia, allergies, and a heart leakage. He is on allergy meds, heart supplements, joint supplements, and dental supplements. That kid, oh man, he is a struggling, but he has the best little personality. He's a giant love bug. He just wants to be involved. He just wants to be around. I love him so much. But I am off to the hardware store for two things. One, a lampshade. Oh, you got this. There's this chick. Hold on, let me get out of here. There's this girl that walks past my house to go to the high school down near me, and her dad walks her sometimes. She seems like her own type of special greatness, but I just saw her and she was contemplating crossing the street as I was driving down. But every time she sees Blaze, she makes a comment about him, because sometimes I walk him in the morning when she's walking to school and she passes me. She walks very fast, and so when I see her, I pull over with Blaze, and she always goes, "That's your dog?" I'm like, "That's my dog." And she goes, "All right, why is he peeing on things?" Because he goes to the bathroom outside. So I was like, okay, goodbye. Like, see ya. I love her. Her dad's always really nice whenever he's walking with her. Anyway, I just saw her and wanted to tell you that story. I don't know why. Anyway, I am off to the hardware store to get a lampshade because Abby used her lampshade. She was redecorating the bar area behind our couch and didn't like the lampshade that was there. So she took the lampshade from the bedroom and put it there, and she liked that. But now she doesn't have a lampshade in the bedroom. She's like, "It's at the hardware store. Can you get it?" I was like, "Sure, of course, babe." Because I'm also filming a TikTok where I'm putting up the things for our rings. So I'm going to the hardware store to get little hooks for those. I looked for them online and I didn't see any I liked, and I couldn't really tell the sizes of things. So I'd rather just go to the hardware store and see them in person. They might not have the biggest selection, but at least I know what I'm getting and I can do it today. So long-winded thing of me telling you I'm going to the hardware store right now. Woo! Okay, I'll have another coffee when I get home. Ugh, I forgot my sunglasses. I feel abused by the sun. I feel angry, taken advantage of. Not right. Oh, there's so many men around me. I think I got what I needed, but I do want to get some like sticky adhesive ones for next to the shower because that's tile and I don't want to drill into that. And I've also filmed my TikTok, so now I can actually just do what I need to do. But I don't quite know what size. The gold is a little smaller and the white's a little bigger. I wanted silver instead of white, but they don't have that. So I'm gonna go white for the bathroom sink. Or I don't know, gold? I'll let Abby choose. Boom, found the white shade that Abby needs. Done. And it doubles as a basket. Guys. Christmas is here. I came home and did my TikTok. It was very extra, extremely extra. I am the most dramatic, and I'll show you what I did. So one, put up the lampshade. These were here, and then Abby took that one off. We just had that one, so I bought that one to replace it. And then, here are the hooks. Ended up doing a white one in here, and then I put this gold right here, so if you get in and out of the shower. I did TikTok that one, and then I didn't like it in the video, so I cut it. But yeah, now whenever we wash our hands, we can take off our rings and just put them there so they don't get lost or shoved off or whatever. And if we get in the shower and realize we still have it on, we can just open the shower door slightly and put it there. And then I put one in the guest bath as well. And I was gonna put one by the kitchen sink, but I think I need to just do a little dish. You know how they have those dishes with like the ring pokey-uppy thing? I might actually have one. So like there's no place to put a hook here because this is all textured tile. So I think I should just put a little ring dish right here. Yeah. I think that's the plan. Okay, now I gotta gather myself because we're going over to Summers for a craft night. A fall-autumn craft night. Woo! We're gonna make succulent pumpkins, where the pumpkin is the succulent pot. I really don't know how to explain it or how to do it. So let's hope we find out. All right, we made it home about an hour ago. did my little nighttime things for my dogs. But these are the finished products. So we thought maybe we'd have to like gut the pumpkins and then become a pot, or we didn't know. And then when we got there, Summer's like, no, you just glue moss and we used hot glue, so I can fix this. But you just glue moss on top and then succulents on top of that. And she goes, and if you just spray it with a spray bottle once a week, the succulents will actually stay for a really long time, or you can plant them again if you want. So I thought that was pretty cool. And we're like, this is way better than carving a pumpkin, because carving a pumpkin, the pumpkins here and the weather here, they last 2 days and then they start rotting and it's disgusting. So it's like the day before Halloween, you carve your pumpkins and that's it. So this is like, you can have all month. So it was cute. I'm liking it. But I'm gonna go to bed. I'm engaged and that's it. It's about 10 p.m. Got a full day tomorrow, so I'm gonna hit the hay. But it was a fun night just hanging with the girly girls. Okay, I think that's it. You beautiful people, see you tomorrow. Bye!
You just watched Rachel's video. She probably put links on the screen to self-promote, like pics of herself, and subscribe to see more, and trying to get you to buy from her merch store. Hey, don't hate the player, hate the game. She gotta make that money, honey, we're all the same. Well, except she's gay. Don't you support the LGBTQIA? Then subscribe today.